Hey guys, are you planning to buy a new Samsung Galaxy smartphone? It is Galaxy A54. Then you should probably wait for a month or some time for now. As the Samsung Galaxy A55 is indeed launching and it's launching pretty sooner than expected. Now, first of all, let's take a look at its specifications, what you can expect an upgrade from the Galaxy A54 5G smartphone. The Galaxy A55 will indeed remain the same design as we have seen in the Galaxy A54, but the phone this time will also be packing a Corning Gorilla Glass front and the back and the aluminium frame in the phone and IP67 water and dust resistance as well. Now it will indeed be a Samsung Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz of high refresh rate with the HDR10 Plus content support, and still around this phone the Corning Gorilla Glass protection is still not being specified. But the display size will be a 6.5 inch and you will be getting a 4 years of major OS upgrades in this smartphone as well as we have seen in the Galaxy A54 5G. But one major concern is about the phone again, which was also in the Galaxy A54, it's its processor, as it will be coming with the Exynos 1480 Exynos processor, which is again on the lower side. But considering the phone is giving longer software upgrades, only time will tell how the Exynos will be performing against the time. Now the phone will also be coming with the base storage of 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, with going up to 8 plus 256 GB of RAM and storage. If we talk about the camera setup, then there are two useful cameras in the triple camera setup, which is one, the primary sensor with OIS support. The secondary camera is an ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel of a macro camera, which we all don't know why it's there still in 2024. But the selfie camera is going to be of 32 megapixels, which is higher than their flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S24 as well. The phone can also shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS and slow-mos at up to 480p at 720 pixels. Now, apart from that, the phone will also be coming with the stereo speakers setup in the phone, and you will also be seeing an in-display fingerprint scanner, accelerometer, and all the other accessories will be present in the phone. But one thing to also note is that the battery capacity is going to be 5000 mAh battery with a 25 watt of wired charging support, and the charger will be sold separately as it's with the Samsung phones. The price is still not been revealed, but we can expect this smartphone to be launching at a price of around 35 to 40,000 rupees in India, and it will be coming down with the card offers and bank offers. Now, what do you think about this smartphone? If you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you'd never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.